Hello, my name is Jose Fernandez. I'm a retired peace officer in Texas. I've been in Texas 20 years and in Bertram 9 years. This is my carport. So I purchased this carport. It's a 20 by 20. And the reason I purchased this carport is one, the height. I need to park a tractor. We'll be needing to park a truck and some other items that are pretty tall. This should be, at the eave here is 10 feet and to the roof is probably about 12 feet. We have extreme weather out here at any time, winds that blow down carports like they did to my neighbor. So this is rated for a 90-mile-an-hour wind, and it is the upgrades. We get hit by a hurricane or something, should not be, torn down by winds. The installation process was super easy. From scheduling from Alan's factory, they called me, they said this work crew would be here. This work crew arrived, I'm thinking like an hour or two early, and they were on it. They were professional, they got to work. Those guys don't mess around. And you can see they had this thing done in about 2.5 hours. I mean, they were so quick. I was amazed how fast. I stood up the whole time out here watching them. That's how quick they were. Vehicles are going to be parked here. It's going to be used for doing work, such as any kind of maintenance on vehicles. It's going to be used for the dogs to get out of the weather. It's going to be used for some grilling, for friends to come out and hang out and get out of the weather. And to be able to work out here when there's rain or just really hot weather that, you don't want to be out in the burning sun. Alan stood out, one, because they're 3D graphics. Two, the pricing, they beat everybody. Their ratings were better than all the other companies, and their customer service is exceptional. If I had to give somebody advice considering purchasing from Alan's factory, go ahead, don't hesitate. Best pricing, best customer service, timely, and their work crew is awesome.